Hello, I'm Jeremy Fairbank, author of Programming Elm. Elm is a delightful programming language you can use to build safe and maintainable front-end applications. How often have you encountered errors like this in JavaScript? Cannot read property name of null. Add is not a function. Runtime exceptions can pop up anywhere in your JavaScript application if you're not careful. What if you could build front-end applications without the fear of runtime exceptions? With Elm, you can. Elm is a functional and statically typed programming language that touts no runtime exceptions in practice. Let's dive into the benefits of Elm for building safe front-end applications. Elm is tailored for building simple and complex web UIs. It offers an intuitive way to build front-end applications that you'll find similar to libraries such as React and Redux. Because Elm is built for the front end, it compiles to JavaScript to easily deploy and run in the browser. The JavaScript code and runtime it produces is small and fast. Elm's static types and compiler make refactoring a cinch. Say after refactoring, you inadvertently call a function with the wrong type of argument. In JavaScript, that would cause a type coercion bug. In Elm, the compiler will catch the mistake and provide you a helpful error message to fix it. Elm offers predictable and testable code thanks to functional programming. In Elm, functions only return a value based on their arguments. Functions can't produce side effects that lead to unpredictable code and bugs. In addition, all data types in Elm are immutable. Immutable data won't change unbeknownst to you, which eliminates all subtle mutation bugs. Immutable data also encourages an explicit flow of data throughout your application. Therefore, immutable data ensures safety and consistency for your data. Elm is fast. It easily competes with and can even outperform other frameworks such as React and Angular. Elm applications typically have smaller file sizes than other frameworks' applications. Easily migrate your legacy JavaScript applications one step at a time with Elm's JavaScript Interoperability. Elm features ports that let you communicate with your JavaScript code without compromising the safety of your Elm application. Elm eliminates decision fatigue about frameworks and libraries. It has one framework for building applications, the Elm Architecture. The Elm Architecture sensibly organizes your code to give you predictable applications via the model view update pattern. It also handles DOM events, HTTP requests, and other side effects through commands and JSON decoders to keep your application predictable and safe. Let's look at a simple Elm application in action. This application lets you increment and decrement a counter. The Elm architecture has three important pieces: the model, the view function, and the update function. The model represents all the state for your application. Here, we store the counter value in our model. The view function accepts the current model and must return virtual DOM. Here, we return a div tag with two buttons and the counter value. Each button has an on-click handler attached to it with a type of message. The update function accepts messages produced from on-click event handlers and other event sources. The update function must interpret the message to return a new instance of the model with the counter incremented or decremented. So, ready to learn Elm? Check out Programming Elm today to dive deeper into building your own safe and maintainable front-end applications with Elm.